nutrients. As it matures, the strong trunk forms covered by a round bark. That protects the tree from damage. From the trunk, its branches extend outwards, producing smaller trees, structures that support last foliage. Next spring, the tree is decorated with beautiful blossoms, signaling the start of fruit development. Months later, the apples are ready for harvest and operate as fresh and crunchy texture that makes them enjoyable to eat. Thank you. Bye.